everyone, this is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle, back with another review for a new Dapp that just got released like yesterday. It's from the people from TRONex, and I'm sure there will be haters and people who will see opportunity here like I do. That is why I'm investing, so let's review it. So first of all, we are investing here with Sun, not with Tron, so this is a main difference. And I think it can basically make a difference on the market because people like new things. I don't remember any other Dapp that was using Sun, so I guess this is a good idea. And there are a few things that make me think that this will go very well, that this will attract investors, so the balance will be building. Is a beginning, so we are early here. I think it might be a good idea to invest here. That's of course my personal opinion. Remember to do your own research. So the guys who did it, basically they did TRONex. They have a new contract, TRONex World. I was trying to get in here, but it's very difficult because they have like rounds, and there is a way that you can go into the contract from the Tron scan, but I didn't even analyze it because I just don't like this daily limits. It's very difficult to get here, to enter the platform, to invest, so people were not happy about it. Maybe that's the reason they made this SUNex World. So let's talk more about it, about SUNex World. So you will get 200% up from your deposit, so 100%, like this will be your what you earn here. So this 200% includes your deposit. So this is a blockchain decentralized anonymous platform, totally secure income based on Sun smart contract, verified and audited smart contract code. And they have a presentation here. I will just show it, just because it's basically all the stuff that we have on the platform. Yeah, but it's always good to have a presentation. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. So you can check the smart contract, and if we go there, you might be shocked a little bit because the balance is 0 TRX. You need to go here to token balances because we pay in Sun, so you will see a contract balance here. So right now it's almost 13,000 Sun. Sun is for 357 Tron, so basically we have 4,612,000 TRX. So it's $170,000 right now on the contract. And let me just remind you, it's only 1 day old, so it got released yesterday. So it's a very good performance so far. Because what is important here is, of course, the balance. So if the balance is growing, it's good. And if we go early, we might be able to profit here. This is like my idea. So they have like a lot of people from the previous platforms interested in this, so we can already see that we have almost 1,000 participants already, and total investment amount of Sun is 50,553 Sun already invested. It's not what is on balance, because on balance we can see that we have almost 13,000 Tron. So there are some like referral commissions stuff. Some part of funds is going to the company. I will show this in a minute. So yeah, they are registered, the same registration for TronLink Limited, because they have a few Dapps right now. I mean, one Dapp was depleted. I will talk about this in a minute, I guess. So basically, let's talk about investment conditions. So we have like basic interest rate here, which is 1%, and it will always be 1% basic rate. So this won't change, but we can have some Bonuses. First bonus is called personal hold bonus. It will be 0.1% for every 24 hours, because this is for 12 hours, so every 24 hours, if we don't withdraw, we will get a higher percentage. So after 24 hours it will be 0.1%, and after 48 hours it will be 0.2, etc. So they have limits here, because the TRONex didn't have limits, so there was like at some moment it was 80% daily, so people were drawing like crazy and the balance was depleted very fast. This was what was wrong with the first platform, even though it was working, I know, as far as I remember, for more than 2 months. So people who got early were able to profit on this. People who got on the FOMO when the percentage was very high, they might have lost some of their funds, because the balance was depleting very fast. And then when the balance was depleting, then the percentage got lower, and people were not able to, who invested last, they were not able to take profit. So this is the first bonus. So maximum hold bonus will be 10%. This is a limit they set, so people, it won't go to the crazy amounts like last time on TRONex. There is also a second bonus. So for every 3,000 SUN on platform balance, so we can say for every 6,000 there will be 0.1%. Additionally, you will earn additional percentage when the balance will go higher. So every 3,000 FUN, 0.05%, you will have a higher percentage when the balance is growing. So current bonus, as you can see, is 0.2%. And they also set a maximum contract bonus, which is 15%. So if we add this to this one, the highest percentage we can get from our hold bonus if we don't withdraw, from platform bonus if the contract balance will be very high, this will be 15% and no more. So current platform balance in SUN, as you can see, is 12,925. So are there any limits in distribution like we've seen in TRONex World? No. So there are no daily limits. You can deposit any amount anytime you want. Platform commission is 5%. So 5%, and this is very important, 5% of all deposited funds will be converted into TRON and sent to TRONex World, so to this contract. So they are working together. Marketing commission is 5% as well. That's has to cover technical support of platform, advertisement and promotion expenses, moderators, and support team salary, because they have to earn as well. They created a contract, so this goes to the people who created it. And they say the administration commission is 0%. So basically what they're trying to do here is to support TRONex World. So they took their own commission to support TRONex World, and they only left marketing commission of 5%. So there are no limits if we're talking about the distribution. How to work with the platform? So first of all, you need to get SUN. It's recommended to use TronLink browser extension for your Chrome or any other browser, or Klever if you're using a mobile app. So the Klever is the best choice. And you can get SUN via popular exchangers or convert from TRON directly on justswap. And this I will show because it is basically the easiest way to buy SUN. Yeah, so let's say I want to buy 5 SUN. I already did 2. This will cost me 1700 TRON, 1800 TRON, almost 1800 TRON. And you click swap. You confirm it. and you basically should have it immediately on your balance. Yeah, it will show here. So now when we have Sun on our balance, we go back to the SUNex World, and here you can see make deposit. You can make investment now. Let's click this one. So we have 5 Sun. We'll deposit it. Of course, we have to accept it. Yeah, and right now, as you can see, I have 7 Sun invested. I am already available. I have already some balance available to withdraw. Yeah, you have to refresh it because sometimes it may show something that is not real. Yeah, I have some accumulated. I just joined, so it's not much for now. And here you will see your deposit list. So I've made 2 so far. Probably I will deposit more. You can see it here. So you can go to wallet statistic and you'll see all the things you need to see basically. So if you have any referral commissions, you'll get them directly to your wallet from what I've seen. And because it's like withdrawn automatically to your wallet, the referral commissions. And as you can see here, you can set a REFBACK percentage. So I've set it to 30%. So if you join from my link, from this link that will be in the description of this video, you will get 30% from the 5% that I would get for you. So I am sharing like 1/3 of my commissions with people who will join from my link. So that's I guess that might help you to decide if you want to join from my link. It's also helping me to create these videos, and to just do new videos, etc. But I'm willing to share. So if we have auto refback feature here, I'm going to use it and share with you if you decide to join from my link. So so we've deposited. The minimum is 1 Sun, so remember about that. About earnings with referral program. So there are 5 levels of affiliate rewards. It's 5 to 1 or 0.5, 0.5. So 5 levels of affiliate rewards. Not too high, but I guess it's still very good. All rewards will be withdrawn to your wallet automatically. Like I said, I tested it, it works. And referral rewards works only for activated wallets. So in order to take referral commissions, to get them, you'll need to invest yourself as well. Okay, that's it, guys. If you want to request a withdraw, it will come instantly to your wallet. You'll see it here or on your Klever wallet. Yeah, so I see some Suns from referral commissions here. All your wallet deposits will be withdrawn with single transaction per 1 request. So if you are withdrawing, you're withdrawing everything from your balance, from all the deposits. And withdrawal requests will reset hold bonus to 0%. So if you want to have this bonus, you will have to hold. You won't be able to withdraw in order to get bonus for not withdrawing, obviously. So they say they are honest and transparent, and there's already audit done. So like in TRONex and TRONex World, we have audit from Grok Solutions. You can check it here. It's on the website, so the contract is audited. You can learn about it here. There will be some additional audits from the community, I guess. Maybe they are ready. You can contact them. As you can see, they have 2 public groups on Telegram, some official contacts on Telegram as well, Twitter profile, Instagram profile, YouTube channel. So yeah, it worked. It looks like this. So summing up, I think it might be a good investment because I expect a lot from these guys. I can see that although the platform is very young, it has like 1 day, yeah, 24 hours ago it was created, more or less. It already has 1,000 participants, which I think is it's very fast. It's probably it's going to, the balance will go, it will be building very fast. So it's always good to join in the first days. It's then is the risk is minimized if you join early. So if you really want to join, just don't think too much, because every minute counts. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber. If you like this movie, please give me a like. I will very much appreciate it. That's it for today. See you soon. Bye, guys.